Overview of saltine crackers. Saltine crackers, also called saltina or soda crackers, are a popular and versatile snack. White flour is used to make saltine crackers, which are typically characterized by their crisp and dry texture. They are also made with various leavening agents such as yeast, baking soda, and coarse salt. They make great accompaniments and are often paired with soup, nut butter, and jam or jelly. In this video, I will explain the benefits and downsides of saltine crackers to determine if they are a healthy snack. The nutritional profile of saltine crackers. Generally, saltine crackers are low in calories, fat, and dietary fiber. Although they are low in nutrients, saltine crackers can still provide a small amount of folate, also called vitamin B9, which is important for the development of fetal. Per serving of 3 to 5 crackers, 15 grams, here is the nutritional comparison of various saltine varieties. The regular and low sodium varieties of saltine crackers respectively provide the same amount of energy, protein, and fiber as their whole wheat counterparts. Although the lower sodium varieties of saltine crackers have fewer crackers per serving, the whole wheat and low sodium variants provide the same amount of sodium. Do saltine crackers affect your weight? Saltine crackers have been explored for their potential role in weight management. Saltine crackers and weight gain. Despite speculations that saltine crackers may contribute to weight gain, there's no research to date that directly links their consumption to increasing body weight. However, regularly consuming highly processed foods and foods high in sodium is associated with higher body weight. A 2-week study revealed that people who regularly eat processed food products have a higher calorie intake and gain weight. The study also found that these individuals had a more significant weight gain. The study, which analyzed 7,629 participants, also found that those who regularly consume high levels of salt are more prone to gaining weight. Although it's not always possible to determine which food will affect your weight, it's important to remember that small portions of saltine crackers can be consumed at once. This could lead to overconsumption of both sodium and calories. Saltine crackers and weight loss. Saltine crackers have been linked to weight loss in some instances, but more research is needed. A small study conducted on 30 participants revealed that those who regularly eat small portions of saltine crackers lost or gained weight. However, the study was not able to determine if the effects of the crackers on weight were related to the placebo effect. The study also looked into the effects of superstitions on the participants' weight loss and gain. It was revealed that those who believed that eating saltine crackers would cause weight gain or loss were more likely to see these effects. The study was small, and the participants' lifestyles and diets were not analyzed. It's not clear if the small amount of saltine crackers that the study participants regularly eat contributed to their weight loss. Although saltine crackers can be beneficial for weight loss, it's important to remember that they should only be part of a healthy diet. Besides reducing your overall food intake, it's also important to focus on improving your activity levels and eating patterns. May improve symptoms of an upset stomach. The bland, salty, and low-fiber nature of saltine crackers make them an appropriate food for some stomach conditions. For instance, a study of 45 patients with gastroparesis demonstrated that saltine crackers moderately improved symptoms. Gastroparesis is a type of nervous system disorder that occurs when the stomach doesn't properly empty itself. It can lead to symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, and acid reflux. For people with gastroparesis, nutritional therapy can help them improve their symptoms. It involves reducing their fat and fiber intake, as well as having smaller meals. Certain types of food can also be well tolerated by this condition. Certain types of food can also help improve the symptoms of people with this condition, such as low-fat and bland foods. They can also help decrease the severity of some of the symptoms, such as hyperemesis gravidarum, an extreme form of morning sickness. During pregnancy, nausea and vomiting can negatively affect a woman's quality of life and her health. It can also lead to financial issues due to increased healthcare costs. Although there is currently no evidence supporting the use of saltine crackers as a treatment for pregnancy-related nausea, healthcare professionals can recommend using them as part of a regular diet. Similar recommendations may be made to help people undergoing chemotherapy manage nausea. Thus, saltine crackers may help manage an upset stomach caused by a number of conditions. Saltine crackers are high in sodium. One serving of low sodium, whole wheat, and regular saltine crackers provides about 6 to 7% of the daily sodium intake. This is equivalent to around 5 regular crackers or 3 low sodium crackers. Although it may seem like a small amount of sodium, a serving of saltine crackers can quickly increase a person's daily sodium intake. For instance, a 2 serving of regular saltine crackers provides 12% of the daily DV of sodium. Excess salt intake is associated with an increase in blood pressure and heart disease risk. Studies also suggest that high salt consumption can alter the taste perception of food by reducing the number of blood vessels under the tongue. This could lead to an urge to consume more salt, which could cause blood pressure to rise. Therefore, it may be best to eat saltine crackers in moderation to help avoid excess salt intake. Are saltine crackers healthy? The scientific community firmly believes that a person's overall diet is more important than a single food or nutrient. Although saltine crackers do not contain many nutrients, they can be part of a healthy diet and lifestyle. Tips to make them healthier. Pair saltine crackers with low-sodium foods that are a good source of dietary fat, fiber, and protein to make healthy and nutritious snacks that will keep you feeling fuller longer. Some foods you can pair saltine crackers with include nut butter, peanut, almond, cashew, meat, fish, poultry, tuna salad, grilled chicken, roast beef slices, dairy, low-sodium cheese, Greek yogurt, legumes, hummus dip, or to accompany a lentil soup or black bean chili. The bottom line. Saltine crackers are a popular snack noted for their dry texture, crispiness, and salty flavor. Although they contain less fat and calories than regular crackers, saltine crackers do not have a lot of nutrients. They also have a modest amount of sodium. Although they are generally well tolerated by people with upset stomachs, eating too many saltine crackers could lead to weight gain and high blood pressure. Saltine crackers do not have a lot of nutrition, but they can be used to make nutritious snacks by pairing them with other healthy and low-sodium foods.